and today I would like to discuss about the factual passage as I told you earlier. Yes, what is a factual passage you all know now, everybody I think. Yes, and now we are going to discuss about this. This is a paragraph, okay. This is a what you call in a concise form. Always there is a fact in a factual passage, right? So it is in a concise form it is given about the film industry is facing a lot of challenge of the television screen, which because of its ready availability, yes, and nearness to entertainment seekers is becoming very popular, particularly in the western side, western areas, and where television programs are as indispensable part, that is very very important to people as newspaper material. The way we go through a newspaper, similarly the people of the West mainly, they find it as a vital thing to be used at home, no, the television, okay, and sustained entertainment of multitudes lasting 2 or 3 hours is possible only in big cinema halls. Yes, like 2 or 3 hours we sit in the hall and we watch the movies, right? Here scenic beauty, background effects and color techniques which have made the products of cinema industry so attractive and delightful may not be reproduced by television program organizers. So these are not shown all together in a maybe television, right? The television programmers, that is program organizers, they may not show all this, which we see in the big cinema hall. Yes, which we see in a big screen in the cinema hall, that may not be shown in a television screen. Yes, it is a small screen, and whatever they show. Yes, but nowadays it is very very popular. All the serials, all the cinemas which we go to the hall and see, those are replayed here in the television, right? We have so many channels now, we can move along all through the channels, right? Whatever you need, you can just click and you can get it. It is not a problem at all now to see different kinds of programs in the television, right? Whatever channels you need, you'll have to pay for it, and you're going to get everything at your doorstep, right? So we entertain ourselves like that, and we watch whatever is given there, and so we enjoy it, right? But before, we used to go to a cinema hall to sit for 2-3 hours in the cinema hall with effects, yes, sound effects and everything, the scenic beauty and everything which they used to show us, and we did not find that in the television maybe. But nowadays it is totally different. Yes, we get it here also in the television screen, and more or less nowadays due to this pandemic nobody is going to the cinema hall, so it is all closed because of the social distancing, right? So we are here at home and we are watching television. We are going through each and every news channel and whatever is given there in the television screen, right? So we get everything in the television nowadays. Even the religious festivals which are celebrated in our state, Assam. So all these we can see through the television screen, right? We need not go to some other place to see all this. Yes or no? So because of this pandemic, when we can't go out anywhere, we are enjoying at home only. Yes? Going through the TV screen, looking at the news and going through the newspapers, we get everything, right? So it is also a vital thing. It has become an indispensable thing of our life, day-to-day life, right? Like we go through the newspaper in the morning. If we don't go through the newspaper, as if we have not done something very important, right? So it has become an indispensable part of our life, the newspaper. Similarly, the TV screen also. The TV also has become a part of our life. If we don't go through the TV, then nothing is there. We think that yes, we need to go through the TV. Yes, a little bit of entertainment is required for everybody, right? Going to the kitchen and coming back, it is not that. Yes, so we need some entertainment, and so it is given here. So a TV screen is also very very important. Though all the television programmers, they cannot give, they say, but I don't feel it